many lettuce varieties you can choose from. Why not mix up the colours and textures so your salad looks really pretty on the plate? If you're a beginner gardener or sowing seeds for the first time, lettuce has to be one of the easiest veggies you can grow. It's a fantastic choice when you're just getting started. You can sow your seeds straight into seed raising mix in a pot or seed raiser and just cover lightly with mix. Always sow a few more seeds than you need as an insurance policy. Once the seeds germinate, allow them to grow 2 true leaves and then you can harvest them as microgreens. Healthy food you can eat while you're waiting for the other seedlings to mature. But when your lettuce harvest finishes, the plant is still going to keep on giving. It will grow a stem, flowers, and gift you free seeds. So let's take a quick look at how easy it is to save your own lettuce seeds for sowing.
These lettuce are ready to harvest the seeds. As you can see, they've got really fine little seed heads on top of where the flowers have dried out. So all I've got to do is allow these to fully dry. I can snip this off and put it in a bag and allow it to dry. Or, as you can see on this one, I can simply rub it off in my hand. And there, as you can see, are lettuce seeds. It's as easy as that for saving lettuce seeds, or just allow them to spread around in your garden. You can simply take them off by hand and then scatter them, which is what I'm going to do now. Just sprinkle them into some moist soil and they'll be sprouting within a few days because we're in the right moon cycle. But that's how easy it is to save lettuce seeds. You'll get bees into your garden, feed on the flowers, and then you're going to have lots more free food. Go give it a go.